So Coretek Services is a cloud integration company that works with customers across the nation and across the globe to integrate cloud platforms, including Citrix and IGEL products. Coretek's been an IGEL partner for going on about 4 years now, and we onboarded IGEL specifically to overcome complexities at the endpoint. Some of our customers' complexities with endpoint management and the scale of endpoint management is really caused a lot of issues in terms of how things change throughout the life cycle of a desktop. And so IGEL's really helped us overcome those complexities by fast to market strategies and conversion processes that don't exist elsewhere.
IGEL is a company that really filled a need for us in the endpoint management space, especially if you look at our specialty in virtual desktops. And part of that value to reduce operational costs and increase those efficiencies, when providing virtual desktops, you need a very thin, easy to manage endpoint, right? And having a traditional Windows managed endpoint and providing virtual desktop on top of that really wrecked the ROI equation. And so with the ease of management and ability to deploy IGEL very quickly and easily from implementation and ongoing ROI, it just fit a great need for us.
One customer example that we have is in large healthcare. There's hundreds and thousands of endpoints across the organization, sometimes in lower OS versions or versions that they're trying to move off of, and IGEL enables us to quickly get to those endpoints and convert them to integrate products like Lakeside Software, PrinterLogic, and Imprivata.
We had a healthcare customer that used a competitive type of thin client, and they also deployed virtual desktops. We were part of their initial 1.0 implementation that we worked with them on. And what they found over time is there were limitations in integration and problems they were having with that thin client provider from a flexibility standpoint and what they needed to deliver. But they actually liked that hardware footprint that this other provider utilized. And so what they ended up doing is, as they had to refresh and buy more thin clients, we standardized on the IGEL for the software layer of things and deployed the IGEL solution on top of the other manufacturers' thin client hardware. That allowed them to repurpose their original thin client hardware and investment, as well as have a single platform to manage new thin client investment.
Partnership with IGEL is unique in that there's a few partners that we work with that are so energized into the market and enabling customer success and customer excitement at the same time. So one of the things I think we really value from an IGEL perspective is not only the people, but the technology that they're innovating around. IGEL's unique software-defined model around the endpoint enables us to take a customer who has many different hardware platforms at the edge and convert them in a single managed platform. And so whether you're leveraging Dell or Wise or Lenovo, it really doesn't matter because we can enact a lot of change with the current investments companies already own. As we kind of walk into a cloud age and a lot of the subscription and perpetual software models that are working or have worked in the past, companies are looking to embrace that change and move quickly. Not only leveraging automation, but things that they do at the edge as well. Some of the platforms that exist inside of the technology stacks that they manage today are somewhat cumbersome and complex. And so the ease of using IGEL and being able to onboard those endpoints and manage them through policy enhancements and be software defined at the same time is critical.